you're using the emotion as a conduit to your thinking, you know, and as a way to help you better understand why you thinking the way and why you feeling a certain way. That's what you're using your emotions for. And then you can make a logical decision about your reality from that standpoint.
One time for the struggle, two time for the real, and three is for the hate and all the people that can deal with it. This is for my people from coast to coast. Here we go. I gotta let these motherfuckers know. For my people, I gotta let these motherfuckers know. I gotta let these motherfuckers know. I gotta let these motherfuckers know. I gotta let these motherfuckers know.
What's good, people? Back with another video, so you know it's that time. Let you know what's on my mind. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out the other videos when you got time. So today's topic, man, you can't deal with the realities of life through your emotions. You know what I'm saying? You always want to run your reality through your logic and the facts of each situation and the things that are presented to you and the things that you can see in front of you, you know what I'm saying, and the things that are tangible and real. You know, emotions aren't real, emotions are fleeting. They come and they go. You know, you can be mad in one moment and happy the next moment. You know what I'm saying? You can wake up happy as hell and stump your toe on the bed, and now you pissed off and walk around. Then you walk into the living room and it's a stand-up comedian on TV and he say a joke and he make you laugh. Now you right back happy again. Emotions are fleeting like that. So you can't run your reality through your emotions, because then you're gonna start reacting emotionally, and reacting emotionally that can really bring some disastrous results to you. You know what I'm saying? You wanna because whenever you react through emotions, you reacting without thinking. Reacting off emotions don't require thinking. You know, it only requires the way that you feel. And like I said, man, they're not dependable. You know, that's why you never want to make a long-term decision off however you feel in the present moment. Our emotions are not meant to be used to dictate our life and dictate our decisions. Our emotions and our feelings only help us to process our reality. Now, let's say, for instance, you have a situation that gets you upset. It's not meant for you to just get upset and then just react solely off the fact that you're upset. You know what I'm saying? But it is meant for you to realize that you're upset. Take it, process it, and use your logic and your thinking to realize, why am I upset? What about this situation made me upset? How can I prevent this situation in the future so I won't be upset? You know what I'm saying? How am my body reacting when I'm upset? Why is my heart starting to get fast? Why is my blood starting to race? Why am I starting to tear up? Why do I want to punch a motherfucker in the mouth? You know what I'm saying? That part right there is where you took your emotions, those same just raw emotions that you could have just acted off of, and you know, that could have got you into some trouble or whatever, when you just went and punched somebody in the mouth and now you going to jail, or you getting arrested, or you getting shot, or getting into altercations. Instead of doing that, you taking it and you processing and use that same emotion and process it and help you in your thinking. So now you can make a logical decision, because once you realize and you take that emotion and you use it for your thinking, you can realize, okay, I'm angry, I want to punch this motherfucker in the mouth, but I'm not going to do that because they're going to lead to A, B, and C. So what's going to be the alternative for me to do that's going to be a better situation for me, and for me to remove myself from the situation and to be the victor in the situation. You can use your emotions to help you process the way you feel about a situation or how you think about it, but you always want to run everything through your logic. You know what I'm saying? And when you run it through your logic, you're using the emotion as a conduit to your thinking, you know, and as a way to help you better understand why you thinking the way and why you feeling a certain way. That's what you're using your emotions for. And then you can make a logical decision about your reality from that standpoint. You can't react to your reality strictly through your emotions. You got to use your logic, your wisdom, your knowledge, your understanding, your thinking, your God-given good sense, common sense, you know what I'm saying, intuition, spiritual insight, you know what I'm saying. You got to use those things, because those things are always going to be real and they always going to stand in every situation, unlike emotions that can be coming and going and changing up and down all the time. So with that being said, man, that's today's video. I'm done rambling. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out other videos when you get time. Hit the link in the description for the teas if you're interested. Other than that, stay on your grind. You don't let nobody stop you. You don't need validation from nobody but yourself. Until next video, I'm about to hit up. Peace, love, I'm gone.
Hoping the best of my todays gon' be the worst of my future. Anybody I forgave, wonder if the feel is mutual. Learning my way through this maze without a tutor. Helping people no sooner, you give an inch, take a ruler. Searching for sight in the midst of a dark night. And by the spirits of winners to finish in my sight.